Hey, food lovers! Craving Italian but want to keep it healthy? I got you covered. Let's dive into some quick tips for making delicious and nutritious Italian dishes right at home. First up, the base. Ditch the regular pasta and go for whole grain or even zucchini noodles. They're packed with fiber and way lower in calories. Trust me, your taste buds won't miss the difference. Next, the sauce. A classic marinara is your best friend. Use fresh tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Skip the heavy cream and cheese-loaded sauces. If you must have creamy, try blending cashews with a bit of almond milk. Voila, creamy and guilt-free. Protein time. Lean proteins like chicken breast or tofu are perfect. Marinate them in olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs. Simple yet flavorful. Don't forget the veggies. Load up your dish with bell peppers, spinach, or artichokes. They add color, crunch, and lots of nutrients. And now, the secret weapon. Fresh herbs. Basil, oregano, rosemary. They all bring out that authentic Italian flavor without adding extra calories. Finally, portion control. Italians are masters of this. Serve smaller portions and savor each bite. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. So there you have it. Healthy, homemade Italian food that's as good for your body as it is for your soul. Give these tips a try, and let me know how you like them in the comments. Ciao for now.